everyone. So Shake Shack has partnered with Acre Farms to bring their cultured oil to their restaurants. They're currently trialing them in some of their restaurants in New York City. It'll be interesting to see how that goes and if they end up expanding to the rest of their restaurants around the globe. We're now getting to the point where we're starting to get a lot more of these precision fermentation products onto the market. Shake Shack partners with Acre Farms. Acre Farms, a food company focused on delicious, healthy, and environmentally friendly cooking oil, today announced a partnership with Shake Shack on a pilot program using Zero Acre oil for frying. Beginning today, September 18th, 2 of the fast casual chain's locations in New York City will exclusively fry with Zero Acre oil instead of soybean oil. The tests at the Hudson Yards and Battery Park City Shacks are among the first deployments of Zero Acre oil in the food service sector. Menu items that will utilize Zero Acre oil include Shake Shack's fan favorite crinkle cut fries, the shroom burger, the Shack Stack, the Veggie Shack, Chicken Shack, chicken bites, and new limited time hot menu items. Zero Acre oil is made from rain-fed sugarcane plants, the world's highest yielding crop, which results in a neutral and versatile cooking oil that performs well in high heat and allows the flavor of ingredients to shine. Home and restaurant chefs love cooking with Zero Acre oil's clean taste and high smoke point for delicious food that can feel lighter and less greasy. Zero Acre oil is high in monosaturated fat, which is more stable for frying than the polyunsaturated fats found in most vegetable oils. Shake Shack is the first in the city to offer many items made with Zero Acre oil. I have updated my tasting map so you can see the locations of those Shake Shacks, and there are also a number of other companies offering precision fermentation products as well in New York. So you can check those out. If you go further into Brooklyn, there might still be some collaborations with restaurants there. If you haven't tried them yet, there's a link down below for $5 off your order. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.